So if you're facing the problem that everyone is purchasing from your store and you want to limit the orders based on customers, then in this video I will show the step-by-step guide how you can do it very easily. So let's begin. So for this I am using the next order limit quantity application from the Shopify app store. You can easily download it from here. After installing the app, go here, create validation, then create a cart validation. Then give a title like limit orders based on customers. Then add a new rule, add a condition. In the condition, you have two options like customer has tag and customer does not have tag. So you can choose according to your need. I am choosing customer does not have tag. Then add the tag. Here I am adding the tag VIP. So for adding the tag to the customers, you need to go to the customer section. And from here, you can add the tag to the customer. So yeah, I am adding the tag here VIP. So after adding the tag here, then add a action. Again in the action, you have two options like show error message on cart and checkout page and show error message on checkout page. So I am selecting show error message on checkout page. Then type the default message which you want to show. Like you cannot purchase this product. Like you cannot purchase this product. After that, active the status and save this. Now the people who does not have the VIP tag, they cannot purchase from your store. So let's check it on the online store. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more valuable content. If I select any product, if I add a customer who does not have the VIP tag, then you can see the error message. And if I add a customer who has a VIP tag, then you can see there is no error message. Yeah, in this way you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. And share it with your friends, it may help them. And also if you have any question in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. So that's for all today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.